Matthew, the founder of Birchberry, set out to make a shoe that had a comfortable, soft upper, wider toe box, and a flexible sole. He called the brand Birchberry. He made the original Bramford shoe to have a wider toe box, very soft, comfortable, flexible leather, and a flexible shoe everywhere except for the heel to keep people from overpronation. They also got these nice elastic laces. Well, today they're launching a dressier shoe called the Brenston, which is why I churched up my look. Where the Bramford excelled with like casual jeans, this is definitely more of a, you could dress it up, you know what I mean? And we still got a zero drop, though we have an artificial heel here. I just thought that was kind of tasty, right? Now, it's definitely a bit more of an elegant aesthetic, a little Brooks Brothers over here, right? Like a little bit of interview for the job for me. It's like, please, sir, I'll make a mean cup of coffee. So along with the zero drop, the faux heel, we have a wider toe box up here, which is nice. It's made from the softest full grain leather, apparently, that you can find in the US. That's what they're saying. It's flexible, quite flexible indeed, and we've got the elastic laces again, though this time with that round sort of dress shoe look. Now, they sell their shoes with this luxury insole, and there's no difference on these. They like a nice insole, which does add a slight amount of cushion like to the heel, and they do that on purpose. Okay, let's check out how these bad boys feel. First of all, they're definitely lightweight. You can definitely feel the wider toe box. Feet are all splayed out in there. In fact, these are a size 10. I arguably should go with a little bit smaller because I could feel quite a bit of wiggle room for me. I asked them to send a 10 because I really don't like it when shoes are too small. You're definitely going to notice the quality of this leather. You're gonna like being able to slip these things on and off. Overall, the quality feels really good. Even just the way that insole feels, where it has, I think it's real leather, maybe a faux leather, just that top of that insole just feels really good. Like it's like, the thing actually feels really quality. That's one of the things I noticed about this when I first reviewed it a long time ago, is it's very classy, doesn't look too funky, too wide, right? Yet it does let your feet splay out. And like I said, this is a 10. Arguably for me, I should be in a 9.5 max, but it still looks pretty good on me. So they've got a printout on their website to print out and see what size you are. That's what I should do. You can do that to see what size you are. At $150, this doesn't really break the bank. And to have a barefoot shoe, a barefoot dress shoe, right? A wide toe box, basically zero drop. You can go full zero drop if you remove the insole from there, but I actually kind of like, I mean, it feels cushy and nice. These things feel really lightweight. It's the first thing I noticed. But have you ever had a lightweight shoe that felt like there was nothing really there? This doesn't feel like that. It actually feels quite quality. It feels quite quality. And without looking like a silly clown shoe the way that some barefoot shoes can do, you know? So, I gotta get out of this dress shirt. Glad I have these for the next wedding I go to or something, you know? So I don't have to deal with my neuroma or just for wearing some dress shoe that all have heels in it and stuff like that. Definitely look into this company because everything that I've experienced from them has been solid, like well crafted, well made. They've got some serious values around design, around quality, and around making something that might actually last you. I'm glad they sent another pair of these because I gave my other ones away. Not gonna make that mistake twice. Okay, that's all from me for now. Just wanted you to know about these shoes. Thanks to Birchberry for sponsoring this video and for putting out a barefoot shoe that you can wear to weddings or to job interviews or to jobs, like actual jobs. I haven't had an actual job in a while. So if I did, I mean, even when I did, I didn't have to wear shoes like this. I know some of you like wearing shoes like this. I'll always go for jeans and a more casual look, but I do like the way a shoe like this can church up like jeans and not make me look so like derelict, you know? But you gotta be who you are, you know? Everyone else is taken. Bye!